Students watching, welcome to our art activity. We are excited because today we're going to take a trip to the zoo and make our very own clothespin giraffe. Now, you should have right in front of you your art paper ready to go. So here's what I want you to do. Students watching and boys and girls in our classroom, let's get our scissors. And notice where we're going to cut. We're going to, in just a moment, begin to cut out our giraffe right at the bottom. When you cut, I want you to do something. I want you to cut in one neat line. Don't snip and don't snap. And here's what that means. Don't take a little piece here and a little piece there and a little snip here and a little snap there. When you are done, you should have the shape of the giraffe left in your big paper and just one giraffe ready to come to the side. Ready? Let's get our scissors and let's cut our giraffe. Ready to make our clothespin giraffe. Now be careful, you want to go right on the outside of that black line. Notice too how I'm going around that giraffe. I'm not snipping and snapping and making little pieces. It's all going to be one big piece at the ends. Students watching, are you being careful as you cut? How's it going, Cooper? Got it, you're doing a good job. Good, Hannah S. Good, Tyson, you're being really careful. Good, Jaden. Got it. You're doing fine. Just take it, there you go. A lot of times if you just move the paper, it's easiest. Now, students watching and boys and girls in this classroom, we're almost ready for the next step, but not quite. But if you're finished cutting and you're done with your paper, do you see how I didn't snip and snap? Fold your paper up carefully and put it right to the side. Good, you're doing a really good job. Looks really nice. Thanks for being patient. Looks good. Just fold it up and you're ready. Good, Isaiah. Nice. You did a good job cutting it out. Brock, you've almost got it. Good. Now, students watching and boys and girls in our classroom, we're ready for the next step. Pick up your brown yarn. We're going to turn it into our giraffe's tail. Take your yarn and put your pointer fingers at the ends of your yarn. Now make your pointer fingers come together and make the ends of your yarn come together. You'll notice it makes kind of a loop at the bottom. So have it just like that. Now, notice what I'm doing. I'm smoothing down with my hands until I'm almost to the bottom of the loop, and now it's on the opposite side. Take this loop and be very careful. Pull it through the whole of your giraffe. See how it looks just like this? Take just the loop part and pull it through the hole. Now, when you have done that, have this little bit of the loop. Take both of the pieces from your other hand and tug. Just do your best. Take the loop and put it right through. Now, when you've done that, you should have two pieces at the top These are your ends. Wrap them around your finger. Notice how the ends are still up. Take the loop off your finger, just like this, and pull in those pieces. And tug, and our giraffe is ready for his tail. Our next step is this. Take your clothespins and your yellow crayons and color all on the clothespins on both sides. Okay, be patient. Sure.
I don't know how to do that.
Sure, and that's why I'm here, is to help you. We'll pull through just like that, and then you tie it just like
I
that.
don't know what to tie.
Okay, that's why I'm here, is to help. You start coloring. There we go. Nice. You got a really good start. You just had to pull it through like that, and then we'll tie. Why don't you start coloring your clothespins with your yellow crayon, both sides of both clothespins. Here we go. There you go. You got it started there. You just want to take it through just like that, and then pull this part through. See how that kind of tugs like that? And then at the very bottom, you just tie a little knot, okay? Ready to start coloring in your clothespin, Jacelyn? There you go. Take the ends, put them together, then make that loop. You be coloring, and then it goes right through.
Do we have to color this side?
You can if you want to, if you have enough time, but definitely both sides right here. There you go, Jed. Good. Now all you have to do is take these two and twist and pull, and you got it. Doing a good job. All you want to do is this.
Where's my straw?
Cooper didn't fall. I'll get you another one in a little bit. Why don't you start coloring, Cooper? You be coloring your clothespins. I can help you with this. Color your clothespins. I'll be there in just a little bit. You be coloring your clothespins, sure. You did it. Almost got it. Keep working on this, won't we? You be coloring your clothespins. All right. Now, students watching and boys and girls in our classroom, we're ready for the best part. The next step is take the clothespins and put it on your giraffe so that it has legs. That will help it stand up so that you can easily use your put the spots on your giraffe using a pattern. Now, here's how I want you to make the pattern. You get to take your pointer finger, and in front of you, you should have some brown paint. Dip your pointer finger just into the brown paint and make all of the spots on your giraffe, both sides and also on his legs. One more thing you can do is this. Take your pointer finger and at the very ends, paint the hooves of your giraffe. Continue working on your painted giraffe. Got it? You ready? Now I'm going to move it more to the middle for you, okay? Good. Just your pointer finger. Now hold it up. Have it up so he's ready to go. That way you can do both sides.
Okay.
There you go. See how he stands up? Good. Bailey, may I borrow this for a moment? Thank you, ma'am. And all we got to do is just pull through like this. You had a really good start on this. Almost got it. Why don't you fold up your paper? That is looking so good. Isn't this fun? We waited. There we go. How's it going? That happens. That happens. That's why we've got our wipe in front of us. Sure. Just want to take it just like this. And then he can stand up just like that. Isn't that fun? Good. Now here's what you want to do, Hannah. Make him stand up That way you can paint both sides of him at once. Got it? Ready? Just say, Students watching, I hope you enjoyed making your clothespin giraffe.